Welcome to our almond factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how millions of almonds are harvested and processed, from orchard trees to packaged almond products.
These industrial systems meticulously sort the harvest, ensuring every almond meets our high standards before moving to the next stage.
Every batch is processed for flavor, freshness, and quality.
Every almond product is tested before reaching stores worldwide.
And that's how millions of almonds are harvested and processed, from orchard trees to delicious products enjoyed around the world.